Hi, I'm Samaria, one of Hum's nutritionists. So hyaluronic acid is all the rage these days for skincare. Did you know it can actually play a role in combating dry hair and scalp? So I'm giving you the top tips on how hyaluronic acid can help you reach your healthy hair goals. So hyaluronic acid is a humectant, which means that it pulls moisture from the air and it helps to maintain it in your skin. It's found in the dermal layer of the scalp. It's what keeps your cells hydrated and helps to maintain the scalp's moisture to prevent dryness from occurring and also any premature hair loss. Especially now that we're heading into the cooler months and there tends to be a lot less moisture in the air, dry scalp can be more of a common issue. Having a proper amount of hyaluronic acid in the scalp and using proper scalp products can help you maintain a moisturized scalp, which can be helpful in combating dry and itchy scalp. Using a topical hyaluronic acid serum can help boost the moisture content in your scalp. Following up with a light, non-pore clogging oil can be helpful depending on your hair type. Thankfully, there's also lots of foods rich in hyaluronic acid to support hydrated scalps. Animal foods are going to be your best sources of hyaluronic acid like chicken, beef, bone broth, and liver. But if you're plant-based or would like to try a vegan option, Hum's Glow Sweet Glow gummies contain vegan hyaluronic acid. So which topic should we cover next? Let us know in the comments below.